Hey everybody, James here from Frederictonvw. Today I'm bringing you a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. New all-season tires. All-season, all-terrain, beautiful Falken Wildpeak tires. It's in great condition. Take you to the inside. It does have full rear doors, so full back seat, lots of space inside, leather, sunroof, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. Take you in the inside, 54,000 kilometers. Got your forward collision, your lane departure, blind spot monitoring, power rear window, wireless charger there. This truck is in excellent condition, ready for its new home. Come check it out, Fredericton Volkswagen.